Hi, I'm Sally. Welcome back to my channel Herbal Health and Vitality. Today we're diving into the world of a beloved spice, a golden treasure revered for centuries, turmeric. Join me as we uncover its rich history, explore its incredible health benefits, and even learn how to grow this wonder right in your own home. Get ready to embrace the warmth and vitality of turmeric. And turmeric, scientifically known as curcuma longa, boasts a history as vibrant as its color. This golden spice, with its deep roots in the earth, has been a cornerstone of various cultures and traditions. Originating in Southeast Asia, this spice has graced kitchens and apothecaries for over 4,000 years. In bustling markets, turmeric was traded as a valuable commodity, its worth measured not just in weight, but in its myriad uses. Ancient civilizations recognized its potency, incorporating it into culinary creations and traditional medicine practices. Healers and cooks alike revered turmeric for its healing properties and its ability to enhance the flavor and color of food. Its vibrant hue, reminiscent of sunshine, led to its use in dyeing fabrics and even as a cosmetic. The bright yellow dye was used to color garments, making them stand out in a crowd, and in beauty rituals to enhance the skin's glow. Across India, turmeric transcended mere spice, becoming intertwined with culture and spirituality. It was not just a kitchen staple, but a symbol of health and well-being, used in daily rituals and special occasions. In Hinduism, its golden glow symbolizes prosperity and auspicious beginnings, featuring prominently in religious ceremonies and festivals. During weddings, turmeric paste is applied to the bride and groom, signifying purity and blessing their union. The spice's journey through time speaks volumes about its versatility and enduring appeal. From ancient scrolls to modern-day kitchens, turmeric has remained a constant, adapting to the needs and tastes of each era. Its story is a testament to the enduring power of nature's gifts, and its bright future continues to unfold. Soothing relief from colds and other ailments. This warm, comforting beverage is a staple in many Jamaican households, cherished for its ability to ease symptoms and promote overall wellness. These diverse traditions underscore turmeric's universal appeal as a culinary treasure and a health-enhancing ingredient. From the bustling spice markets of Asia to the serene kitchens of Okinawa and the vibrant homes of Jamaica, turmeric continues to be a beloved and essential part of life. Its journey across the globe highlights not only its versatility, but also its enduring significance in promoting health and well-being. Ready to experience the magic of turmeric? Sourcing high-quality turmeric is key to unlocking its full potential. Look for organic turmeric powder in the spice aisle of your local grocery store, ensuring vibrant color and a fresh aroma. For a more potent experience, consider turmeric root, available at specialty stores and farmers markets. Beyond its traditional forms, Turmeric is readily available as capsules, extracts, and even beverages. When choosing supplements, opt for reputable brands and check for third-party certifications to ensure quality and purity. Remember, a little turmeric goes a long way, so start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed. Why not invite the vibrant energy of turmeric into your own home? This golden spice, known for its health benefits and culinary uses, can be a delightful addition to your indoor garden. Imagine the satisfaction of growing your own turmeric, right from the comfort of your home. Growing turmeric is surprisingly simple and immensely rewarding. Not only does it add a splash of green to your living space, but it also provides you with fresh, organic turmeric for your kitchen. The process is straightforward and can be a fun project for the whole family. Start with a healthy turmeric rhizome, available at nurseries or online. When selecting your rhizome, look for one that is firm and plump, with visible buds or eyes. These buds are where new growth will emerge, so it's important to choose a rhizome that shows signs of vitality. Choose a pot with good drainage and fill it with rich, well-draining soil. Turmeric prefers soil that is loose and fertile, so consider adding compost or organic matter to enhance its nutrient content. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging, which can cause the rhizome to rot. Plant the rhizome a few inches deep, ensuring the buds face upwards. Gently cover it with soil, taking care not to compact the soil too much. This allows the new shoots to emerge easily and grow strong. Turmeric thrives in warm, humid environments, similar to its native tropical climate. If you live in a cooler region, consider placing your pot in a greenhouse or a warm, humid room. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels is key to successful growth. Place your pot in a sunny spot, ideally receiving 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Turmeric loves the sun, and adequate light is essential for its growth. A sunny windowsill or a bright balcony can be perfect locations for your turmeric plant. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Turmeric needs consistent moisture to thrive, but overwatering can be detrimental. Check the soil regularly and water when the top inch feels dry. Using a watering can with a fine spout can help distribute water evenly. With a little patience and care, you'll soon be harvesting your own homegrown turmeric, a testament to the power of nature's bounty. The vibrant golden rhizomes can be used fresh or dried and ground into powder. Enjoy the fruits of your labor in your favorite dishes, knowing that you cultivated this golden sunshine right at home. Simple turmeric delights. Now, let's talk about incorporating turmeric into your daily routine. Beyond its vibrant flavor, turmeric elevates even the simplest dishes into culinary adventures. Start your day with a comforting turmeric latte, blending warm milk with turmeric, ginger, and a touch of honey. For a savory twist, sprinkle turmeric into your scrambled eggs, soups, or stews, adding a burst of color and a subtle, earthy flavor. Marinate chicken or fish in a turmeric-based blend for a flavorful and healthy meal. The possibilities are endless. Turmeric for all ages. Turmeric's gentle nature makes it suitable for people of all ages. However, as with any new dietary addition, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider, especially for pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with underlying health conditions. Start by incorporating small amounts of turmeric into your diet and gradually increase as tolerated. Observe your body's response and adjust accordingly. Remember, embracing a holistic approach to health involves listening to your body's innate wisdom. Turmeric, a golden boon for well-being. For centuries, turmeric has been revered for its remarkable health-promoting properties. At the heart of turmeric's magic lies curcumin, a powerful compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Research suggests that curcumin may support joint health, boost brain function, and even promote healthy aging. Furthermore, turmeric's antioxidant prowess helps combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe inflammation throughout the body, contributing to overall well-being. While more research is underway, the existing evidence highlights turmeric's potential as a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, stay vibrant. Thank you for joining me on this golden journey into the world of turmeric. I hope you feel inspired to embrace this incredible spice and all it has to offer. Remember, incorporating turmeric is just one step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos exploring the world of natural wellness. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant.